In this video, we shall unbox and demo LG 22 inches Full HD IPS LCD monitor. Joystick control key. Input-output panel. Base stand parts. Driver CD. HDMI cable. Cable manager clip. Power adapter. Let's install base stand. On-screen control and My Display presets allow you to easily customize monitor settings with a few clicks of a mouse. We can customize monitor settings with joystick control key as well.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed video, please subscribe, like, and share.